Our fastening technology in the lean production building kit system compensates for a length tolerance of 5 mm per fastening side. If we now take a look at the fastener with the external clamping technology, we can slide the profile into the back of the fastener, and there is a small viewing window on the side where we can see how far the profile has been inserted. We insert the profile 25 mm here. With the 5 mm compensation, the profile must now be inserted 20 mm into the fastener. How do you measure this? Using a conventional tape measure, we go between two profiles. Here we now have a distance of 680 mm. If we then subtract 20 mm from each side, we have our finished length for our profile. We also recommend the module in the ETAM Academy, Lean Production Building Kit System Basic Elements, Installation.